Saturday night coming up April 12th. Diego and Yer. I got a couple applications here. You want to watch it on your Amazon Fire TV stick? Check this out for you to use to get it free. I'm Lee from Led by the Unknown, here to help you with your Amazon Fire Stick needs. Easiest way to do it, I'm just going to delete these applications out of the way and show you how to install them on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Uninstall, uninstall, uninstall. Now your guys' Amazon Fire TV stick should probably look something similar to this. First thing we want to do, head to the search icon, the little magnifying glass there, come down, and in the search area, use your select button on your remote, and we can type in downloader, D-O-W-N. Downloader pops up there. Just click on downloader. The orange icon here, click it. It already says I own it, so you may not, so get it, download it, and install it. Takes just a few moments. And here we go, downloader's installed. Let's go back to the home screen. Head over to your settings icon on the far right, mine's the little basketball player. And then come down and look for My Fire TV. Mine's up at the top here, so you're maybe down in the lower left, somewhere on the screen, and click on it. Now here I have developer options listed, and if you don't, that's okay. I'll get it popped up for you in a moment. If you don't have it, highlight About and click on Select It. And then here we have Fire TV Stick highlighted, select on it multiple times, about 7 to 10 times, click on it, and now it says congratulations, you are a developer. Now while we're on this screen, come down and check to make sure you are up to date on your Fire Stick. Very important to make sure your Fire Stick's always up to date, especially for these applications to work properly. Once that's done, we can back out, and now developer options will be listed for you here underneath About. So we can select developer options, and here we can turn on ADB debugging, and then slide down to install unknown apps and select it. And I have downloader listed, so we can turn it off to on, and this enables downloader to sideload applications onto your Amazon Fire TV stick. This is what some call jailbreaking, which it is not. It's just a term people like to use, I guess. So head back to your home screen on your Amazon Fire Stick, and let's look for downloader. All the way to the far right, the 3 squares plus sign, this is your apps and games icon. And look for downloader, should be down at the very last icon that you've downloaded. It'll show it down on the bottom. So we can use our 3-line button on our remote. And I'm just going to say move. You can move yours to the front. And I'm going to put mine right here beside IP Vanish. Now, back in the home screen, this has changed our shortcuts at the top screen here. And as you can tell, I got IP, downloader, Rumble. We're going to open up downloader. Yes, allow downloader to access photos, media, and files on your device. As downloader will need to download some applications. Let's click OK. Click up once and then hit select, as I do have a shortcut for us to type in. This one's a new one. So it is 7538465. And this will link us straight to the Led by the Unknown websites. How to stream the UFC main events. Select OK. How to watch UFC on Fire Stick. So 5-second redirect here. Guys, while we're waiting, give me a thumbs up. Let your friends and family know on how to get this awesome app on your Fire Stick. So once it's loaded, use the 3-line button on our remote, and we can add current page to favorites. This will allow us to no longer need the shortcut, and it'll be saved in our favorites on the sidebar, and it'll bring it right up. Now here we do have a video tutorial on how to use the application within this web page. Guys, I highly recommend using a VPN while using these applications. They will give you upfront seats, priority. You can link your way into Miami using IPVanish. Get out your phone, take a shot of this QR code. It's up on your TV already, and get yourself a great discount with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So here we can just close off this, and now we can come down. You can read through it if you want. Here's how to watch it on your Amazon Fire Stick. There's a demo on how the application works. And then here we can come down. We got Fire and we got TV. So I'd suggest both apps to download. So we can click on Fire. We'll go to the install page. Just slide down a bit. And here's the latest version. It's a very simple, easy to install application. We hit install down in the bottom right. And once it's installed, click done, because we no longer need this application installation file, so we'll delete it. And yes, confirm to delete the install file. Let's go back one more, and we can get the TV version. And both these have tutorials on how to use them. And we can get for the Amazon device or an Android device if you want to watch it on your phone. The other app will work on your phone also, Android based. We'll hit install, and then we'll hit done. Now we can hit delete and delete the installation files. Now those are the two files for all the sports you'd ever want to watch. Let's go back to the home screen. And guys, before we find these applications, I'll come in here and I'll highly suggest IPVanish for our Fire Stick. Install it, get it, download it. Check out the link up top on your screen right now. Click on it and it'll give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to log in, create an account, log in, set it up, find your closest server. So right now I'm going to open it up, IPVanish. So we can come down, there's the little map symbol on the bottom left. We can click on that. You can go fastest available. United States, Canada. I already have some favorites in here. Miami, boom. So we can favorite Miami, click on it, connect to Miami. You want to click to where the events are going to be, right? So if it's not Miami, somewhere else, go right ahead, Vegas, you name it. We are now located in Miami on our device. And our online security is safe. So I'm going to go to the 3 squares plus sign, find those two apps that we just downloaded. We have Fire. I'm going to use the 3-line button and I'm going to move it up beside downloader here. And I'm going to do the same with TV. Move, and boom. So guys, check out the other applications on the web page, check out the tutorials, check out the other videos. Please share this with a friend. Thank you. Enjoy. I hope you enjoy the fight. Who do you think is going to win? Put it in the comments below. Diego or Yair? I'm not sure. We'll see. All right. Peace. Take care. Happy streaming.